In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to rename a private story on Snapchat. The first thing you do is open up your Snapchat app. At the bottom here, tap on the chat option, and next you tap on the first Bitmoji icon, your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner. Scroll down to the private story you want to rename. This is a private story. Tap on three dots in front of it. Tap on rename story. So after you name it, tap on save. It is as simple as that. That is how to rename a private story on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more, because we put up helpful tips and tricks like this one every day.